My name is Milan Mehta. My wife's name is Vibha Mehta. She had an infection on left eye, post-operative cataract operation 3 months before. Now first let I give my professional background. I had worked 36 long years with GSK Pharma, which is one of the leading pharmaceutical company in the world. In my career of 36 years, I must have met around 3 to 5,000 consultants and n number of private nursing homes, including corporate hospitals like Hiranandani, Godrej, Fortis. And in Thana, we have Jupiter Hospital. I must have visited around 500 nursing homes. If anybody asks me to rank Aditya Jot Hospital, my preference Aditya Jot Hospital stands number one. Why it stands number one? When I came for the first time to Aditya Jot Hospital, my wife was not having any vision because of the infections. The organisms was behind the membrane on the retina, where I had given 20 days antibacterial as well as 1 month antifungal infections. When we came for the first time to Aditya Jot Hospital, my patient was kept under Dr. Jaydeep. Interaction with Dr. Jaydeep for 10 minutes, there and there I decided my ultimate doctor would be Dr. Jaydeep. Why? The reasons being so cordial and calm, addressing all the queries of the patients. He has talked to my ophthalmologist who has done cataract operation and find out what the line of the treatment post-operatively he gave. Both of them must have interacted for the 10 minutes. So my retina specialist, Dr. Jaydeep, got the background. Immediately, his confidence was, yes, I can treat these patients. When that message came from him, immediately, along with my daughter, one is doctor, second is CA, we have given the consent to Dr. Jaydeep. Sir, you are ultimate doctor for me. We don't want to move here and there. You treat the patient till the end. Dr. Jaydeep, on the first day, he said, I need your cooperation for first 10 days. I am staying in Mulund all the 10 days without interruptions. We have visited to Dr. Jaydeep, and whatever the investigation sir has suggested, we have followed. I must say, Dr. Jaydeep, in his practice, he has followed the protocol of medical ethics step by step. First, he has sent for the culture sensitivity report. When he felt we have to do sonography of the retina, the sample has to be sent to Hinduja. We followed very strictly. Before sir has come to the conclusion of the retina operations, almost after 20 days of the investigation, sir has kept the patients. So here sir has won the confidence of the patients, and sir has followed the protocol for the treatment of the patients, step by step. At last, after 20 days, he said, unless and until I remove the membrane, I cannot see the retina properly. We did sonography thrice to the patient because he wanted to save the vision of my wife. And literally, we, all the four of us, my family member, has got the faith, like he is our God. Whatever the sir has suggested, I put the drops not even 5 minutes late. And ultimately, when I came, today is the last day, and I'm so happy my wife has got almost 90% of the visions, which was not the case fortnight before. Right from the day one, sir was so sure I will bring the vision. Only I need your follow-up, I need your cooperations. And one admirable things about the Jaydeep, self-confidence, determinations, going step by step, not a hurry for doing any operations, very, very cordial, cooperative. Whatever the question we ask or my daughter asks, very satisfactory, he gives the reply. After the under treatment of almost past 2 months, believe me, first he has called us for first 10 working days, then every alternate day, I mean 3 times in a week, later on twice in a week. Then I used to send a WhatsApp message to Dr. Jaideep. Sir, now you are calling us once in a week. We all four, my members of the family, are missing you very miserably. So is the case with Dr. Jaideep. Believe me, he's like my family members. Although Dr. Jaideep is younger to me, but we all four family members worship, worship him next to our God, who has given the wisdom, who has given the visions to the patients. God bless Dr. Jaideep, and second doctor is Kavita Rao. She has also helped a lot. She has saved the cornea of my wife also. So both the doctors has to be applauded, and I will pray to the God, give him a blessed. All the staff member of Aditya Jot Hospital, extraordinary. Let the doctors may be competent. See, a doctor who has worked in Sankara Netralaya, money never comes. I know Dr. Natarajan, who a doctor who is a founder of Sankara Netralaya. Dr. Natarajan was the no, Dr. Natarajan was the doctor, founder of the Sankara Netralaya, was the boss of Dr. Natarajan. So he has undergone the training of founder of the Natarajan Hospital. So all the principle, ethical principle has come into Dr. Natarajan, and the Aditya Jot Hospital stands on the merits, very reasonable price, and almost all the doctors, almost all the staff members, which include receptionist, optometrist, RMOs, nurses, even staff members, Prakash ji, then Alpesh ji, and Anil, are extraordinary people. And my special thanks goes to Lakshmi ji. My God. As soon as she sees my wife coming into the receptionist, she sees the eye. Oh, very good, Vibhaji, very good. Is the true case with the Pranali, is the true case with Aditi also. So all the staff member of Aditya Jot Hospital knows Vibha Mehta, Vibha Mehta, Vibha Mehta. Really, I am proud of Aditya Jot Hospital. Is the both the RMOs, Dr. Sandhya and Dr. Neha, are so good. They make a follow-up with they make a follow-up with Hinduja Hospital for the report. As a patient, we can't get that much, but they follow, they get the report next day. Whenever we need any drops which are not available nearby chemist, they will manage for us. Both the RMOs are really pillar. I mean, the entire staff of Aditya Jot Hospital is to be remembered forever. And according to me, out of 500 nursing homes visited, I can rank Aditya Jot Hospital is #1 private hospital in Mumbai. Thanks a lot. Thank you.